Hi all, welcome. In this video, we are going to explore few of the features being provided in Windows Copilot. It is evolving over the period of time and a lot of new features will be added. We can do a lot of things using Windows Copilot. Let's get started one by one. So I am going to my taskbar to open it. Here you can see Windows Copilot is already installed. You can see this icon. I am just going to click on it and it is showing some history which I would have used earlier. So let me clean this history so we can say start over, or we can clear up from here. Like I am going to these three dots and clicking on refresh, it will start a fresh new session. So it has started a fresh new session. It comes with the multiple things. It's saying Copilot, it's in preview mode, that's why you can see the text pre, and it's saying that with Bing chat choose conversation style like more creative, more balanced and more precise. Right now I'm keeping default as more balanced. These are the options. Change my background image. It's saying that create a table to analyze public funding for the arts to GDP and other things as well. It can answer a lot of things, but let's start with very basic. It also accepts voice command. So let me give one voice command. Even it can scan things, it can read PDF, you can give some documents. Let's say you have a resume, you can ask to correct that resume and many more things. But let's start with very basics. Maybe in further videos we can see advanced features. So let's get started. First time I am going to open Notepad. Open Notepad. So it has sent it automatically. I don't need to click on send button. So now it's saying that open an app, and if you are not clicking on it, then you can see the background. Yeah, so you can hear in background it was saying something. Let me stop responding first. So I have clicked on stop responding because I don't need additional thing, otherwise it will search on internet as well for other things. So it has asked that open an app. I'm saying yes. So it has opened app for me. See, I have just copied something on another window and it is asking me to add it here, or let's say, so this is the text that I just copied on another window and it is asking me that do you want to add it here. For right now I am not adding it, I am just going to ignore it. I have just opened the Notepad so that I can show you when I am changing the theme, you can see the color changes. Let's give another command, switch to light mode. So right now you can see it is in dark mode, but it will yeah, let me, so it is asking that turn off dark mode. I say yes. See, it has been changed and you can see the color of this notepad has been changed from dark to light mode. Let me revert back, switch to dark mode. I'm just clicking on yes and it has switch back to that. Now let's give another command, open Visual Studio Code. See, it has opened Visual Studio Code. It has just opened the last session where I had opened with some command, so it has opened that last session. It can open other things as well. Let's say open YouTube. Sometimes it opens directly, sometimes it's
popular online video sharing platform that allows users to
Let's try some more command. Play a song on YouTube whenever, wherever by Shakira. So it will search and give the link and other options so that we can. Yeah, so it has just searching for that text. Wait for few seconds because it's analyzing. So you can see it has provided the link, and I can open that link directly, but maybe due to some copyright issue or something I'm not going to open it right now, but you can click on it and you can open it. Even if you can give your reactions like you like it or dislike it. Let's move to another command, or let me search about myself. So I have just typed that search about Venkateshwar Narayan, and let's see how it is behaving on it. It's searching for Venkateshwar Narayan. Sometimes I'm taking a pause or not speaking because whenever it's generating sometimes, so it also used to speak in the background. That's why sometimes I'm going on mute so that you can hear the sounds which is running in background. So see, it has just opened the summary very quickly, saying that Venkateshwar Narayan is a full stack developer, late software engineer and Microsoft MVP who has 12 plus year of experience in various technologies such as C#, Angular, JavaScript type. And here you can see it has also searched about my website, even though this website has been registered very recently, and I'm not sure if this site appears on Google search or not because it's very new site, but it has just searched it, bankicode.com. And also on C# Corner I used to write articles earlier, so it has provided that as well. And there are some more results like Stack Overflow user list on that. So let me click on it. Let's see how. Yeah, so see, as soon as I clicked on it, it has just redirected me to that path. Let me try few more commands. I'm giving another command. Turn off Bluetooth. Now it's turning off Bluetooth. Okay, so till now we have seen a lot of apps we have opened. We have turned off backgrounds and turned off Bluetooth and other things. So let's explore something on web as well. Let's see, it has already opened my profile on Stack Overflow. Let me click on one of the link and let's see how it is interacting with web. So let me ask this link. Let's see how it is responding. Okay, now it's asking that allow more relevant responses using Microsoft Edge content. With your permissions, Windows Copilot can use the content and details from your Active Edge tab. So actually it is asking to enable that so that we can provide the permission and it can read from Edge. Let me click on allow. So right now I have allowed, but if you are wondering that how we can stop in future, then I will show you that how we can stop in future. Or meanwhile it's generating the responses, let me show you quickly. So you can go here on three dots, more which is more options, and here it's having an option for setting. Go to settings, and right now it's saying that let Copilot in Windows use Microsoft Edge content. Right now it is on. You can turn it off anytime. Okay, now let's see what response it has generated. So I'm scrolling down. It's saying the link you provided a Stack Overflow question about how to write SQL query to check, and then all other details. Okay, rather than that, let me ask some questions. Let me put the same question to it, and it's asking to paste that content here because I have already enabled Edge feature, that's why it's asking. So I'm just asking that write a code for SQL query to check if a name begins and ends with a vowel. See, okay, so earlier it was trying to search something, but after some time it realizes that it can uh, generate the code. So it has generated that, and you can see it is generating multiple. Let me stop that. I don't want, because it can generate multiple things. So here you can see, so here you have seen that I have stopped it from generating additional code, because I think 2 code snippet is sufficient to understand it how it is generating. So here you can see it has started that searching for SQL query and things, but after that it realizes that it is about writing the code, and it told that yeah, I can write code for this, and then saying this is code is AI generated, review and use carefully, visit our FAQ, and then it's saying select distinct name from table where this. So it has quickly generated things. Also it has generated another one, so it may generate multiple responses. So you can explore on different way. You can open your LinkedIn and give the LinkedIn URL to analyze it. It can suggest that okay, what are the tags missing and what additional you can add here, or you can give your resume here. You can drop your resume here, and it will give you information about that. Let's see, like here it's showing one image. Let me snip it. So I'm just going to snip this image, and let me snip this image, and just I'm adding and asking. So now you can see it is analyzing the image. Let's wait for analysis to get completed, and it will give some result based on that. Sometimes it will take bit time, like here you can see it's analyzing image, and it will take time. Here you can see it's giving message that analyzing the image face may be blurred to protect privacy. Yeah, so now you can see it has generated the response, and you can see it is saying that this image is about a digital advertisement of Stack Overflow for Teams, which is a platform that allows developers to collaborate and share knowledge within their organization. The advertisement has a dark blue background and a catchy slogan that says with no silos to hold you back. So you can see it has written the entire text and details, so it has done the complete image analysis. It can do a lot of other things. You can explore by yourself, or as soon as we get to use it, we will be finding a lot of interesting features. Let's say you have to listen some podcast, or you have to listen some music. You can ask it directly. Let me ask to search for one of the podcast, like I'm saying that open Mahabharata podcast by Sudipta Bhaumik. So see, it is searching. So see here, first it tried to open an app. It was thinking that I'm asking it to open an app. I would have rather said that open a Spotify or some links from where it can play this podcast, but I just asked to open. So first it was thinking to open an app. So it's saying that there is no app named Mahabharata podcast by Sudipta Bhaumik on your device. However, I can help you to find some information about it on web, and it has just opened this podcast links. So you can open and search. Let's say I'm saying I'm going to click on this. So see, it has just opened it along with all the details of this, and I'm just going to click on this play. So you can see it has started playing, but I am not going to play it because it may be related to copywriting things. But yeah, you can explore it a lot more things here. So as I said, there are hundred of things which we can explore here. So we can start exploring it. Meanwhile, I would like to say thank you. So I appreciate your time and thanks once again.